Alrighty guys, so I don't know if this should be a video, but if it is, welcome to the FULLBEANZ Network #1 mower fucking sending channel. But seriously, look at this $100 weapon. So I've spent some time. I changed the plug after I changed the coil, because you know you should check the spark plug. Even if you cannot get the spec, maybe check spark plug. Could have been fucked or maybe not, I don't know, you know? But we have this here weapon, my lady's mower. Just got it for her. If you see this, babe, scammed ya. Zach got it for free. Nah, oh fuck, better not put that in there. Anyway, no, my mate needed some money, she needed a mower. Win-win. But this thing, right, it's fucking good and all. I'll show you. Oh, get out of here. So, that's enough revs, right, but I can do like one, and it knocks him down. Get out of here. But, if I really start cheeching through the big stuff, really doesn't like it. But, if I fucking hold the berries on with the governor, if I can get a second throttle cable that just pulls on the governor, then we're going to be in business. I'm going to call it FULLBEANZ mode. No, I actually want to call it full berries mode because that's better, that's more fun. I like them berries. We've got to give it the berries, cuz it was a big thing on 4-drive action a while ago. So that's what we're going to do. I'm about to use the second hole here to mount the fucking parts mowers, because I've got a freebie from the weapon, thank you Mr. Moore. The second throttle cable here, because that one, well, it's just a fucking pin thing like that. And I can have that little pin, it's just a pin thing like that, and yeah, I can put that fucker zippied to the fucking governor arm in there. See that bad boy? That bit of steel. Oh, if we can get that fucking forward backwards on the fucking FULLBEANZ lever, then yeah, she'll be able to have it running, turn him off, and get all of the rev. It's a bit hard for me to show you, but I did a test before, holding the governor with my finger while I went through that grass, and bro, it'll just the whole time. So, because it gets long, I reckon we're on. Look at that there, cuz. Fucking pretty nice, eh? Look, fucking. We got the on and we got the off. It's just on the whole way, no throttle, and I'm basically making my own throttle. It'll go from like fucking the good amount to fucking wah! Or from wah to, yeah, not blowing up. You can sort of choose how blown up you want to be. Get rid of the governor on the fly. And yeah, hopefully this is a strong area. Maybe we'll put a plate here, so if it was to explode, no one's getting hurt except for other people. I have the zippers for installation. We see the zippers. Now we will install. Yes, see, throttle cable. Very nice, very nice. So, after a fucking couple of days of drinking mower mechanic fuel, because I am obviously the world's best mower mechanic, especially on the YouTube, I've come up with this great ingenious solution for attaching this cable to that fucking governor just there, which is gonna be heat up the cable on the fucking and then just fucking poke him straight through, boop, like that, and then I run the cable like I had it under the thingy, and we're gonna be fucking good as gold, ready to just sit her on the governor. So yeah, I'll show you how that looks. Whoa, look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Fuck, it's hard to see. That's a hole, like factory. Yep, just heated him up, poked straight through, piece of piss. Now let's see if I can run it so it looks like factory. Holy, it's fucking bright, cuz fucking like 30 something degrees. It's probably like 400 Fahrenheit. Whoa, I'm the best. Hey, just like factory, but not factory is modified. And when I hit the fucking brum brum, we go from no governor to full beans, to no governor to full beans. That's like the best thing I've done today. And I did the dip, so that's pretty good. Yeah, look, when she just hears it max rev, she knows it's there, and then you can just let it back off. Oh, works so good. And I put it inboard like the other one, at the same height as the other one. So we've now got off, on, because that does not control the throttle. Full beans! Less beans won't explode. Full beans! Less beans will not explode. So, I'll fucking smack her back together and see how she goes, because we're some fucking grass to test. And like I said earlier, I had a test holding it with my finger, full governor on, and it loved it. So we'll see how we go. We will see. Hopefully good. Better get a bit more mechanic fucking fluid in. I already feel more capable. Now look, I'm not promoting drinking, but you're gonna do it anyway, so. Look, I'm pretty self-confident, but this just works way better than I expected. Got this little guard on here, holding our cable. Nice and tight, little zippy there. It's fucking perfect. Let's put the air filter on and fucking go for a burn! Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, she is ready to go. I've given her a couple of pumps, throttle on, and get out of here! Woo! I've basically just given it a throttle cable. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Uh-oh. Try again. Little bit. Alrighty, let's hit some grass. Get out of here, fucking dog and spider web. Fuck's sake. Alright, so it used to just barely idle. Get out of here. Yep. But now, full beans! Get out of here! Like nothing. Perfect! I am the best! The best! Alright. Well, that's a fucking pretty skits $100 mower now.